Welcome to the Home Generator Maintenance Metro Minute. If you have a Generac Automatic Standby Generator, you have already made a substantial investment in your home's safety, security, and convenience. Protect that investment and schedule annual preventative maintenance to make sure your generator is ready when you need it, no matter what the weather conditions. At Metro Electric, we have literally installed and maintained thousands of generators. We are the experts. Our complete preventative maintenance service includes an 18-point inspection of oil and filter change, cleaning and tightening of battery terminals, inspection and replacement of air cleaner, spark plugs, and adjustment of valves, plus any software updates on controllers. You should never attempt to do it yourself. Generators are wired into your home electric system and should only be serviced by a trained professional. A proper annual maintenance program will ensure your generator is always in proper working condition, year after year.
You already made a great investment to protect your house. Now it's time to protect that investment with the preventative maintenance from the experts at Metro Electric.
In one short visit, our specially trained generator experts can inspect and service your Generac generator, giving you peace of mind knowing that your equipment is in proper working order and is always ready when you need it.
And please remember, electricity is nothing to play around with. Unless you're a trained electrician, you should never attempt to do electrical work yourself. Visit our website or call Metro Electric to learn more.
Metro Electric, MetroElectricMichigan.com. Metro Electric.